Tired of running out of ice at the worst moment? Whether you're hosting parties, enjoying cold drinks at home, or need ice on the go, a reliable ice maker changes everything. Today, we're counting down the top 5 ice makers that deliver fresh ice fast. Number 5. Our number 5 pick is a powerhouse that delivers up to 35 pounds of perfectly chewable pebble ice every single day. This sleek stainless steel ice maker features a generous 10-liter water capacity, meaning fewer refills and more ice for your needs. The soft, chewable pebble ice it produces is the same style you'd find at your favorite restaurants. Perfect for cocktails, sodas, and even just munching on. With its self-cleaning function, maintenance is a breeze. Just press a button and let the machine do the work. The modern black and stainless steel design looks fantastic on any countertop, and the included ice scoop and basket make serving incredibly convenient. Whether you're entertaining guests or just love having fresh ice available, this machine has the capacity to keep up with your lifestyle. For those who want the link to check it out, you'll find it in the description and comments below. Number 4. Coming in at number 4, we have a compact countertop ice maker that's perfect for everyday use. This sleek black unit produces 9 perfectly shaped ice cubes in just minutes, delivering fresh ice whenever you need it. What really sets this apart is the self-cleaning function. Simply fill the water reservoir, press the cleaning button, and you're done. No scrubbing, no hassle. The ice maker comes complete with an ice scoop and a removable basket, making it super easy to transfer ice to your freezer or cooler. Its compact design means it fits perfectly on most countertops without taking up too much valuable space. Whether you're at home, camping, hosting parties, or using it in your RV, this portable ice maker adapts to your lifestyle. The modern black finish complements any kitchen decor, and its quiet operation won't disturb your peace. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, the link is waiting for you in the description and comments. Number 3. At number 3, we have an exceptional ice maker offering incredible versatility with dual production modes. Choose between 26 pounds daily for regular use or 35 pounds for bigger events. The real star is the soft, chewable pebble ice, premium nugget-style ice that restaurants charge extra for. Stainless steel construction looks professional and ensures lasting durability. The massive 10-liter water capacity means less refilling and more enjoying. The 115V power supply fits standard outlets, and intuitive controls make operation simple. Whether at home, in office break rooms, or commercial locations, this ice maker handles everything with ease. The included scoop ensures hygienic serving, and the spacious basket holds plenty of ice ready to use. Want to grab one? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 2, our runner-up strikes the perfect balance between performance and portability. This unit produces 9 ice cubes per cycle and generates up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, enough to supply your entire household. The built-in handle makes it incredibly portable, moving easily from kitchen to patio, RV, or anywhere you need ice. The removable basket and included scoop make serving convenient and mess-free. What sets this apart is its reliability, consistently producing high-quality ice without constant monitoring. Intuitive indicator lights show when the basket is full or water needs adding. Perfect for offices, small cafes, home kitchens, or outdoor gatherings, this ice maker adapts anywhere. Its efficient design maximizes ice production without excessive energy use. Ready to upgrade your ice game? The link to purchase is in the description and comments section. Number 1. And now, our number 1 pick, the ultimate portable ice maker combining every feature you need. This champion produces 9 perfectly formed ice cubes in record time, delivering an impressive 26.6 pounds every 24 hours. The self-cleaning function eliminates maintenance worries. Just press for automatic sanitization. The sturdy handle makes it genuinely portable for camping, parties, or moving around your home. Complete with a removable basket and scoop, you have everything needed. What makes this our top choice is the perfect combination of speed, capacity, and convenience. Whether hosting gatherings, running a business, or wanting reliable ice at home, this machine delivers consistently. The compact design fits any countertop while producing professional-level ice quality. From your kitchen to camping trips, this is the complete package. Want to make it yours? Find the link in the description and comments below. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.